welcome back to another vlog. Today is December 23rd, Christmas Eve. I wanted to do one more holiday Christmas themed vlog for you, for me. So welcome to my first annual Christmas special. Day one. The little wreaths with the Mickey ears is insane. We made it to Disneyland! I've waited years for this. That is different. Outfit of the night. We got our little matching moment. So cute. Oh, and this. Wow, magical.
We love this night.
Day two.
Day two.
Yay. Good morning, good morning. Day two. We're going to California Adventure.
Bought some outerwear.
Yeah, we bought some wardrobes. We didn't know how to dress for the cold, so we had to make do. Give a little fit check. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh, like that?
Spicy.
Fit check me up, please. California Adventure! Now it's on.
We learned from our mistakes yesterday.
Greetings, whackers. To assure a safe trip,
I'm so
in
excited.
States.
No snow today. You guys, the holidays are flying by. I feel like I started getting excited way too early, okay? We decorated before Thanksgiving even happened, and so everything was like, oh, it's going by slow, we get to enjoy it. And now we're moving at the speed of light, but whatever you celebrate, happy holidays. I hope you like this little festive video. I don't want to give too much away, but I can tell you that there's gonna be some fun stuff that we're doing in this video. I do still need to, one thing about me, I try to be so mysterious. I don't know if I ever will be. I have such a big mouth and I just like need to tell people things. I do still have some Christmas gifts I wanna wrap. And since this video is coming out on Christmas, I can show you what I'm getting people, like a few things. So I did wrap most everything. And two, we're making homemade cinnamon rolls again, which I'm really excited about. I'm making those on Christmas Eve, so that'll be really fun. We can also do that together. Micah is currently at the dentist, so I have the house to myself, which is great. Feeling very tired this morning. I'm gonna make myself a coffee. We had kind of a late night last night. We went out with Micah's cousins and we had like a little Christmas themed night out. It was really cute. We went to go see the city lights, which is in town, and we made a whole night out of it, so that was really fun. Also, we ended up at an arcade, and this TikTok that we made, oh my gosh, sends me, it's so funny. Okay, anyway, let's make some coffee. So today we're actually having a little family lunch because my mom's a Christmas baby, not actually on Christmas, but a few days before. So we're celebrating her birthday today. We picked up some yummy Thai food, which is what she requested. Not the sweat mark. She requested Thai food for lunch, so we went and picked that up. Also got some balloons. I think there's one that says like happy birthday princess on it. So I'm hoping she likes that. But yeah, just having a fun little family afternoon. Here is my Thai food order that we always get. Chicken pad Thai, super good. I get it mild because sometimes Thai places make it super spicy. So then I add like my own. Micah got pad thai as well. Whoa, vlogging in this kitchen is a throwback. Show them what you made. Mama made a lemon cake.
Gluten-free.
Gluten-free, homemade buttercream. Let's go.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Wish. Woo! Don't say it out loud. Okay. Woo!
No, we don't want to know.
No, I just said I have everything I've ever wished for in life.
Oh, period.
For me.
Was it a matching aloha?
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, this is really nice. And it's like that dry fit material.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. 2 more aloha shirts I can put into the rotation now.
You know.
I wear the same ones all
do.
the time.
Sorry if this is a little distracting, but I wanted to show you some of the things because I'm wrapping gifts right now. I wanted to show you some of the things that I got that I haven't wrapped yet. I will say most of the like gifts that I got that like really ate and I really popped off with are wrapped. But yeah, I feel like this year I really realized that gift giving is one of the biggest ways that I like to show people love and like thoughtfulness behind it and stuff. So I'm very happy with that. I'm very excited to give people their gifts. But what I can show you first, how cute. It's this like mommy and daughter matching set. I'm actually wearing like the shirt from the same brand Mahina made. It's a local company. But I got this for one of my friends and then for her baby so they can be like matching. And I just thought it's so cute. I love the lace shirts. I think it's just such a cute little detail. So that's like a matching little moment that I got for one of my friends. Micah and I have been like slowly leading up to Christmas, giving each other like one gift a day, which is honestly really fun. That's something we've kind of been doing. So he just opened this. Can I show this? He's really excited. I got him some Abercrombie YPB workout shorts.
Where's the shorts?
They're camouflage, so he will be pantsless. And then these I thought were super cool. I'm excited to see him in them. But they're from Ruka. Love the brand, but I just thought this was super cool. And I don't know if you noticed, Micah, but I got his dad, because his dad loves to wear jerseys. And I found this one. It's like matching. So if you guys ever wanted to be matching with your dad, you wear the shorts. And I got Micah's dad this jersey. Same brand. I just thought it was really nice. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. And then for my dad, this is like the gag part of the gift, but I'll show it to you because I think it's really cute. He is really into wearing like funny dad joke t-shirts. Some of them are really out of pocket and I'm like always just a little shook by them. But this one from the brand Life is Good, it says, "I am the warranty." And if you know my dad, which probably none of you watching this do, but he is just like the go-to guy. Like something happens, he's on the phone. So I think he would appreciate this shirt. So got him that. I think last year, kind of the same font of gift, I got him a shirt that said lawn enforcement, like LAWN, with like a mower on it, and he eats that up and he wears it. I'm wishing I left more unwrapped so I could show you more of the gifts that I'm giving people. But the last one that I left unwrapped is for one of my friends who is pregnant. So I got her this cozy skim set. I feel like you can't go wrong with a little gray outfit. And these are just really stretchy, so I feel like it'd be comfortable, really cute. Obviously it's a tank because it is hot where we live, so I'm excited to give this to her. Oh, and the gift that I gave Micah that he opened like 2 nights ago that I literally just broke. He has an Apple Watch and he only has like a very tactical like rubber watch band. And so I was like, oh, let me get him like a nice watch band for when we go out. So it looks like an actual like Rolex vibe. Rolex. Yeah, we haven't gotten to that level yet. But it's really nice. It's like this silver titanium vibe. Anyway, I thought I was doing him a nice big favor by, I was gonna change the length because it was a little big on him. And then I broke the tool and then I broke the thing itself. So I might, I think I'm gonna film you unboxing like the gift.
The big one?
The big one, but that's tomorrow. Anyway, those are some of the things that I'm gifting this year. Yeah, very, very fun. The headband is crazy. Happy Merry Christmas Eve. We, of course, forgot ingredients for what we're baking today because we have quite a few little Christmas gatherings that we're going to, and I'm making the cinnamon rolls that I made with Nia. You might have seen that in a vlog a few vlogs ago, but we made homemade cinnamon rolls. She gave me the recipe for it and it was a big hit. I dropped some off at the station the night that I made it and it was so good. Allegedly, the firefighters really liked it, so we're making it for Christmas. And then obviously for my family, Micah's family, so I need to get a few more ingredients for that just because we're like making so much of the recipe, but that's where we're headed now. Micah, we've been, as you know, unboxing like Christmas presents slowly at a time. But how cute is this? It's this little like dangly Puakeni Kenile, which is so cute. Gotta add some personality, he said, in this car. But yeah, so we just opened that and he got Salvage Dior cologne. I was very excited to gift that. We went to the beach this morning. It was very fun. Micah served some shore break and I had a very humbling experience. And I'm grateful to be here today. Okay, we have all the ingredients. Honestly, it's pretty straightforward in terms of like what ingredients it needs. Cream cheese, powdered sugar, melted unsalted butter for the frosting, and then yeah, just make the dough. And it's literally just like pretty much brown sugar and cinnamon inside. I have one batch. It's in the sun because it said put it in a warm place, but I have one batch of the dough currently rising. So she's gonna do her thing and then I'm gonna work on making the second batch now. Micah's on dough duty. We just made our first round. I didn't put it in the oven yet, but they're currently rising in the pan and it looks so, so good. Literally beautiful. We've got a great swirl, great roll going on. I'll make the icing after, but she's looking beautiful. And then we filled a little bit of this, but yeah, that's what's going on. We're watching Santa Claus 1 OG. Well, these are like a little different because they have Oh, I've never seen this in person though. This thing is crazy! Oh! Yeah. Open it.
It is.
I'm a good liar, yeah.
Yeah, you are, because I honestly didn't know. Oh, they're well placed, seat covers.
Woo! Truck upgrade. He got seat covers. Hey.
Thank you.
Woohoo!